It is Skylar's birthday weekend.
Hi, I'm Skylar. And this weekend I turned 27.
We're staying in this cabin behind us for the weekend. So we're going to give you a quick little tour.
We booked it on Airbnb. We will include the Airbnb link in the description of this video. We're the first guests to stay this season, so they open up, I think, usually in the fall and winter months, and the owner, I think, enjoys it in the summer months. Not positive of that fact, but yeah, it's a little hidden gem. I'm so excited. It's
amazing.
So cozy, and they're
you.
pet friendly. Welcome to our cabin for the weekend. We booked it for 2 nights. This is the porch area. It's beautiful. And we're like in the middle of nowhere, Margaree. This is our cabin! I love it! They have a wood stove, but they also just installed a heat pump too to keep you hot or cool. And then in here is a bathroom. But I love, like, it's just like super rustic but beautiful. Oh my god! Look up there!
That's so good. Little raccoon.
It's very shocking though. I love all the little details. Look at these little jellyfish creations. And a beautiful wood stove. We're going to start in a bit. This is the kitchen area, so there is a fridge and sink and stovetop and little dining area. I love all the lights. Oh, look at the mugs up there too. Winter's coming. And then come on in, here is the porch / spare bedroom, I think is what you would call it. Is it big enough for both of us to get? Oh, that's really comfy actually. Look at this wolf pillow. This is the staircase up to the loft bedroom, and it's like these strange, like, staggered steps. It's so, I mean, it's better than having a super steep staircase though, so I understand the geniusness of it. And then, in case you're feeling clumsy or you need some help, there's lots of handles, so it's almost like you're rock climbing. We're gonna have a few drinks tonight, and I do not want to tackle these stairs to go pee. Yeah. Well, that was kind of weird to go pee.
That's normal. And?
Should I dive in? What?
Sure.
I checked the sturdiness of this bed before doing this. Oh, that's nice. It's a very firm.
Look, there's a TV.
A comfy bed. Oh my gosh, there's a TV!
It's right there.
What? There's a... In case you want to, like, look at yourself in the morning, there's nothing like looking at yourself in the morning, right? There's a mirror!
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Supper for this evening is from the Dancing Goat. We got 2 sandwiches and some salad. You're very far away.
I know, I'm on a new lens, so it's...
Oh, it's the new lens.
Yeah, it's the new
Oh
lens.
my god. You're like, David's like the entire cabin away from me right now.
This is it. Happy birthday. Dancing goat in the cabin in the middle of nowhere.
With some cider.
Are you happy?
I am very happy. This is exactly, and then we're doing like a birthday supper with my family on Sunday. So.
And a big hike tomorrow in the rain.
And a hike tomorrow in the rain. I wouldn't want it any other way. If you're a November baby, you can feel my. You gotta make your birthday amazing, because it's definitely not the most amazing time of year when it comes to weather in Eastern Canada.
Here you go.
Good afternoon. We just had like the laziest day.
It's been a super rainy
lovely.
morning. Today we're going to try to get to Turner Brook before it gets dark. We'll see. We're just going to have fun.
See the puddle I'm in since we parked yesterday?
Nice. It's gonna be a wet one today. The handle's right above. There you go.
Oh, I'm trying to keep myself dry. I'm just
Yeah. I think we're gonna turn back because it's gonna get dark soon. It's taking forever. We're soaking wet. So.
Failures.
The dogs get exercise.
The
they
dogs
loved it.
did get exercise.
Yeah.
We'll come back on a nicer day.
Like we could keep going, but we'd be coming out in the dark, and
Well,
it's just not that much enjoyable.
November.
So rainy. These are some wet dogs. Yes, Strawberry. You're wet. You're wet.
I can't believe it! You dressed up!
I have a tie too, but I don't think the tie is going to be very comfortable in this season.
No, it's very warm. I can't believe you dressed up. Like I mentioned it, but
We're doing birthday dinner.
birthday dinner.
Can be pasta.
Never made meatballs before. Hope we're doing it right.
So we're going to fry these slightly and keep turning them on a low heat. And then as they're cooking, we'll add sauce and let them simmer and make sure they're cooked all the way through. Well, yeah, this is my birthday cake, but it's a caramel cheesecake from Dancing Goat. We don't have candles. Sing me happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh no!
Oh no, I missed it. Nice. Got our pasta, we got James Bond going.
No time to die.
Is this the best birthday ever?
It's up there. It's definitely very good. I have a Toby
What are you doing over there?
watching me with my pasta. Yes, no begging allowed. No.
Say thank you, Kyle.
Say thank you,
for
Kyle.
letting us stay at your cabin.
We loved it. You can find this cabin on Airbnb. And I just had such a great birthday. Guess how old I am? You don't have to guess. But
She's 35.
no, I'm not. Not that 35 is a bad age. I'm 27. Bye, Indy. Thanks for watching this video. It's probably pretty boring.
It's probably like 3 minutes long because we didn't get up too much. Skylar had a great birthday though.
It was very lazy and wonderful. Bye!
You're so cute, Indy.